It's another great speaker, workshop trainer, conference presenter, town hall moderator, TV host, MC fundraiser, articulate and passionate youth educator. Good energy, witty personality, faith and perseverance created him a salary. Taught a whole audience to unlock their power. Even corporations know he put in them hours. He combat bullying, prevention, tactics. Made the commitment to feel his life's passion. Motivate individuals around the globe, and he teaching the people what they really ought to know. This about to stop about policing the community, building up a unity, empower young people when they reaching their destiny. Think before they act, some getting home safely, respecting where they at. Teachers, parents, authority, hey, raising GPAs, hey, you'll be amazed, yeah, they do this every day, and a vision on its way. So when you hear this song, all you gotta do is say, Dwayne Bryant, everyone should know.
Dwayne Bryant, the book is The Stop, Improving Police and Community Relations. It's got a workbook for parents, for kids to work on. You're doing great stuff in the community, so critical. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Dwayne Bryant, about the stop.com. Intervision International. One love.
Decision of what altitude are you going to fly. And that brings me into mind of 4 different birds. You got the eagle, you have the crow, you got the pigeon, and you have the chicken. Today I want you to start thinking about which bird are you. Let's start with the eagle. We all know that the eagle soars very high. The eagle has very high standards for him and herself. The eagle doesn't need to be around a bunch of people because the eagle knows that he or she is a natural born leader.